The mean free path of molecule of a gas, that is radius r, is inversely proportional to the free path of molecule. Free path of molecule, we can denote it by the symbol that is the lambda, which is equal to 1 divided by under root of 2 pi d square n, where d is the molecule diameter, and we know that diameter is equal to 2 times of r, then r is the molecule radius. Then if I am going to substitute this value, then lambda is equal to 1 divided by 4 root 2 pi r squared into n. Then lambda is, we can say that here it is inversely proportional. Then the lambda relation with the radius is, it is inversely proportional to 1 by r square. That is r square. That is option B is the right answer. Inversely proportional to the r square.